please. So here are all the theories. There are different theories around cultivating your mind. Stress reduction theory, basically Ulrich really kicked all this stuff off. He basically had hospital patients after an operation. Some of those hospital patients had a view of nature out the window, others had a view of a brick wall. The outcome was those that had view of nature, number one, they took less medication. Number two, they were out of hospital quicker. Number three, they were much more nicer to the nurses that were looking after him and the carers. So, you know, there's something in that. Again, we are animals, it's our habitat. Attention restoration theory. If you think about when you spot a bird or a bee, what happens is you look at it and you go, oh, and you're brought directly into the present, you're fascinated by it, and it takes you away. And it's called an element of being away, having fascination, and restoring your brain, because in the city or when you're working, your mind is constantly has this attention, whereas nature, what it allows you to do is to restore that and distract you. Prospect refuge theory is quite an interesting one. This was in 1975, this theory came out. Basically, what it's talking about is, back to evolutionary terms, you need refuge. So, you know, to survive, you needed to have something that you were hidden, but at the same time, you needed prospects so you could look across and make sure nothing was coming towards you. So if you can create a garden that has that element, or if you create your window, or even in your space in your lounge or on your balcony that has an ability to enclose you, but at the same time gives you some view, say through the window, then that's fabulous. Mindfulness, again, that's about bringing you into the present, and flow. So quite an interesting survey we did again during lockdown. I think it was last week. 2,000 people responded to it, and what they said to us was the three activities, gardening activities, that has helped them most in relation to their mental health is weeding, watering, and mowing. And much of that weeding is about you're in the flow. You're in that constant moment of that's what you're doing. And the other beauty of it is you transform things.